Okay guys, so as you can see, I just took my braids out and my hair is a mess. I'm going to be using my normal technique of how I like to revert my hair back from protective styles, but this time using all Hairfinity products. So the very first thing I did was just split my hair to some smaller sections. Now I'm just rubbing my hands through gently to get rid of any shed hair sitting on top. When taking down a protective style, it is 100% normal to have a significant amount of shedded hair, simply because our hair sheds up to 100 strands a day, so just imagine how much shedded hair is built up after protective style. I like to remove as much shedded hair as possible while my hair is dry so that it won't tangle when my hair gets wet. So now I'm just taking a spray bottle of water and I'm beginning to saturate my hair. I like to saturate my hair in small sections just to make sure that my hair doesn't begin to revert and tangle easily. If you spray your hair in small sections, you can kind of control how your curls begin to go back, so you can continue to detangle and continue to remove that shed hair without causing any tangles or damage. So next I'm going to grab my protein treatment. This is the Hairfinity Strengthening Amino Mask. This is one of my favorite protein masks. You guys have probably seen me use this in previous videos. I use it all the time. This is actually a brand new container because I just ran out of my other one. So it has a pretty thin consistency. It gives my hair lots of slip. And the reason I like to start off with a protein treatment is just to make sure that I'm restoring any damage that I may have caused to my hair from blow drying, from manipulation, from braiding, or anything like that. And it just gives my hair a nice base to begin reverting back to its normal state. So just repeating that same process again, I'm just splitting my hair into some smaller sections. I'm beginning to finger detangle my hair, getting rid of any shed hairs laying on top, just to make sure that my hair doesn't tangle once I do decide to wet it. Then I'm taking my spray bottle of water and gently spraying my hair, controlling how my curls are curling back to make sure that it doesn't begin to tangle or break. And I'm again finger detangling my hair to get rid of any shed hairs laying on the surface. Once I have as much shed hair off as possible, I'm just grabbing my strengthening amino mask and I'm applying that to my hair, again continuing to rake it through. And a little bit definitely goes a long way with this product, so you don't need much at all. What makes this hair mask also very great is that it helps to reduce breakage up to 90%, and it's also 90% natural derived ingredients. Because it is a protein mask, it will help to fill in any weird gaps in weak hair so that your hair does not break as easily, and of course it helps prevent split ends. So now I'm just repeating that same process on the rest of my hair. So once I've dampened and applied the mask to the rest of my hair, you can see that my curls are starting to revert back, but they're not all the way back yet, which is okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and rinse my hair out in sections. I want to keep my hair separated so that way I can make sure that it does not tangle. And as you can see, that mask leaves my hair and my curls just so smooth, so silky. They look shiny. It looks like I've already revamped my hair completely, but we're not done quite yet. I need to clean my scalp. So I'm going to go ahead and take the Hairfinity Gentle Cleanse shampoo, and I love this shampoo so much, you guys. The consistency is very creamy. It also feels extremely smooth when you put it on your hair, so it won't feel like it's snagging your curls or causing any weird elasticity problems. Plus, after you have braids or something in and you shampoo your scalp, it feels so good. It lathers very well. The shampoo claims to help reduce breakage up to 82%. Plus, it's also derived of 74% natural ingredients. As you can see, as I'm rinsing out that side, my hair did not tangle at all. It literally just went onto my scalp, it rinsed through my hair, and it kept my hair nice and detangled, which is great. I can also say that this shampoo does a very good job of cleansing the hair and the scalp without leaving your hair feeling dry, especially if you do the mask first like I did. You definitely don't need to use the mask first, but it definitely does make a huge difference if you apply the mask to the hair first and then shampoo. It seems kind of backwards, I know, but trust me, it works. So as you can see now, I'm just rinsing out the shampoo and my hair is left still detangled. It's super soft and moisturized, but it's still very clean. So now I'm just going to follow up with the Hairfinity Balanced Moisture Conditioner. This conditioner again has a tremendous amount of slip. It kind of has a thinner consistency, which is fine for this part of the hair routine because you're kind of just using it to bring everything back together. It's supposed to reduce hair breakage up to 87%. And of course, I'm just keeping my hair split to prevent my hair from shrinking up altogether and tangling. So along with the conditioner, another Hairfinity favorite of mine is their Botanical oil. This oil is 100% natural and it's also supposed to help reduce breakage up to 95%. I like to apply it directly to my scalp. It feels so good on the scalp. It has peppermint, rosemary, thyme leaf. After having a protective style for a certain amount of time, my scalp just feels so dry and it needs that moisture. So this oil definitely gives that to me. Plus, I like to drag the oil down my hair, which helps to add even more moisture. So after applying the conditioner and the oil to my hair and my scalp, you guys can see my curls are popping. It looks super coated, super moisturized, and typically I will leave it on for about 5 minutes or so, and then I just rinse it out. And then that's pretty much it. I'm just going to hop out the shower and style my hair the way I usually do. So that's how I brought my hair back to life using the Hairfinity products. You can obviously pick and choose which products you would like to try, but I love them all. The ingredient combination in these products are very rare, which is why the products are so expensive. They are definitely luxury products, but trust me, they are great quality for the price. And I'm not just saying that.